Hey guys, what is going on? Jeremy here, back again with another video. We got some snow, not a whole lot here. Here's the mess. Our dog pulls all this crap out here, but snow's kind of gone away, but unfortunately there is still salt all over the freaking road. But today's gonna be awesome, guys. I'm about to fire up the Camaro. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys a nice cold start, taking the car to the shop. Go ahead and get this clutch installed. Now this is extremely, God, I look so tired. This is extremely odd for me, honestly, to be even filming on a, what's today? Today's Monday. To even be filming on a Monday, but I'm doing this for you guys. I honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really want to bring the camera along with me. It's tiring after a while to have to record and document everything, but I do enjoy doing it. I have to remind myself that, you know, and I kind of want to show you guys what I got going on. As always, Camaro in the garage. Gonna go ahead and start this up, guys. It's been a couple days since I fired it up. It's pretty cold. I mean, it's freezing out here, so I'm gonna get you guys a really, really nice cold start. Let's go ahead and hop in the car and do this. Sorry if I'm out of focus. This is a big DSLR camera, so I really need to get a normal camera to vlog with. But I can't wait, guys. Finally getting this clutch installed. I'm gonna be giving you guys a review, probably a couple reviews. Honestly, I'll probably do two. First one's gonna be during the break-in period. It's recommended. I think it's necessary. A lot of people don't, but definitely gonna give the clutch a 500-mile break-in, which I'm absolutely dreading. I do not want to wait. God almighty. But I'll give you guys my first thoughts on it and everything once I get it in. Hopefully that's going to be something for next week. Let me go ahead and fire this thing up, guys. It is, oh God, it's cold. Now, God, it's loud. I hate starting it up. Here we go, guys. A nice cold start for y'all. It did not like that. Holy crap. Let's pull out of here. Listen to that. Oh. Let's go ahead and get the car out of the garage. It's cold. It's freaking cold. That is not fake. It's legit that cold. I love the freaking sound of this car, guys. It sounds so good. So I'm gonna let the car kind of do its thing and warm up for a second. There's no room in this garage. I'm gonna grab my clutch and all of that and go ahead and put it in the car. So let me do that, guys. Like I said last video, I'm hoping to get a little bit of footage of the install. I don't know, I'm gonna try to do it for you guys, but I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm gonna try to make this work, but I'll be right back. Already off to a really bad start. Couldn't get cash out of the freaking ATM, so I've got like half the freaking money for this, but I'm gonna stay positive. I'll just get them their money tomorrow. Hopefully they'll still work with me though on doing this, so I'll just pay them a little over half up front. But anyways, guys, I've got about 20% on the GoPro. I did not charge it up. I'm heading there now, guys. I will touch base with you shortly. I'm either going to be in the shop filming parts of this install, probably not the whole thing, but at least filming parts of the install, or I'll be back in the car with Holly going back to the house to get some sleep. But either way, I will see you guys soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so at the shop, got the exhaust off, just pulled off the drive shaft. Got the clutch and all the other goodies over here. Don't know if we're putting these bearings in or not. Colby says probably just keep the factory ones in if there's not any issues, so we'll see what happens. Does that shifter look okay? Yeah. Okay. I put it in myself, the reason I'm asking.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
For right now, I want to lower this thing down a little bit. We got to get these lines out and they're going to piss all over us.
Is this one separate from the bell house? Or does it all come out together?
It all comes out together.
Look at that. I was trying to sell it. Oh, okay.
Something smaller than that.
What up? Man, my camera's gonna die. I was so unprepared for this shit.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah, bro.
I thought you snapped a picture of me.
Oh, no.
Because of how far you got to go back, so they get closer. You got none in your truck? Alright, that's fine.
You got a
Bob, yeah, Bob's sitting on the console.
Huh?
Piece out of the lines. Straight the jack up there.
What's the matter with it?
It's ass heavy.
Ass heavy?
See if you can jack it forward, jack it to the front. Alright.
Is that better?
Make it.
Yeah. Have to kind of walk a little bit at a time.
Tight squeeze.
Kick air to it. Kick air to it.
Right now, it's start leaking all of a sudden. Did you put a river on that?
Yeah.
You're steady though. It shouldn't spin.
So that's pretty
that
much
freely.
that's pretty screwed.
Yeah, you hear that? Yeah. Shouldn't sound like that.
Let's put a new throw out in. So bad news is O'Reilly's gave me the wrong throw out. So I think he's checking his box to see if he has anything laying around, but that kind of sucks.
What's the torque spec on that thing, Kobe? .4 5.41. I was just trying to figure out what was on the door. We're looking at the door. Cleaning people need to get in that bathroom back there. I didn't know.
Motherfuckers don't clean it? Or they want them trash bags?
Yeah, trash bag. Go on here.
Motherfuckers somewhere else.
Alright, so surprise, surprise, I'm actually back home. I felt like I was kind of getting in the way of them doing all their hard work, so one of the reasons I quit filming, the honest reason, is my battery died and I feel like an idiot. But anyways, the car is done. It's actually in the garage. I just got home from work, so I'm going to save all of that for probably the next video, I'm hoping so. But yeah, sorry guys, I didn't get a whole lot of footage, but I'm hoping it'll turn out well. We'll see. By the time you guys see this, it's already up, so whatever. But one thing I will say, and I feel like an idiot, I didn't have a choice. Throwout bearing was completely gone. I'll say completely gone. David greased it up and said just kind of drop it around. If it starts making any noise, just bring it back to him, replace it. But the only thing with that is that's more that's more money when it's something that was so simple that could have just been replaced right then and there. Unfortunately, you couldn't get that bearing anywhere. So once that throwout bearing goes completely out, which it looks like it's going to be any time now, that's probably what I'll do next, is just go ahead and get a new slave cylinder and throwout bearing, which sucks because, yeah, gotta pretty much pay for this all over again, which, yeah, that sucks. That really sucks, but what can you do, man? Things happen. Nothing goes perfect. I went in here knowing probably something was going to go wrong, and ended up being the throwout bearing. So that, yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. No disrespect to O'Reilly's or anything. I think something in the system was just not right. I don't know. But either way, definitely gonna set me back some money here in the near future. But that's it, guys. As always, like, share, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.